Hi friends, welcome. Today we will discuss about one-liner जीके सीरीज पार्ट 2। ये हिस्ट्री का सेकंड पार्ट होगा। इसके बाद फिर हम साइंस का कवर करेंगे, फिर ज्योग्राफी का, ऐसे ही कवर करेंगे। इसमें हम आज 30 क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे। तो चलिए, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। द टर्म निष्का which meant an ornament in the Vedic period was used in later times. What did it denote? Answer is a coin. Next, which are the earliest Buddhist literature that deal with the stories of the various births of Buddha? Answer is Jatakas. Next, which was the most important factor in transforming ancient Indian society into feudal society? Answer is practice of land grants. Next, by which was the Shahnama written? Answer is Firdausi. फिरदौसी मोहम्मद गजनी का कोड पोएट थे। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। द Portuguese traveler Nunes visited Vijayanagara during the reign of which ruler? Answer is Achyuta Rai. Next, which Mughal emperor gave land for the construction of the Golden Temple at Amritsar? Answer is Akbar. Next, under the leadership of which guru did the Sikh become a political and military force? Answer is Guru Gobind Singh. Next, which decisive battle was fought during the Third Carnatic War between the English and the French? Answer is वांडीवास। ये 1760 में हुआ था, बैटल ऑफ वांडीवास। नेक्स्ट, द रूलर ऑफ which state was removed from power by the British on the protest of misgovernance? Answer is Awadh. Next, what was the original name of Tansen, the most famous musician at the court of Akbar? Answer is Ramantanu Pandey. Next, which Indian ruler established embassies in foreign countries on modern lines? Answer is Tipu Sultan. Next, when was the Indus Valley civilization flourished? Answer is during 2500 to 1750 BC. Next, what are the main channels of our knowledge about the Indus Valley civilization? Answer is archaeological excavations. Next, what was the rate of land revenue as given in the Dharmasastras? Answer is 1/6. Next, in which country was Buddhism first propagated outside India? Answer is Sri Lanka. Next, who was well-known patron of the Mahayana of Buddhism? Answer is Kanishka. Next, which Gupta king is famous for his courageous stand against the Hunas? Answer is Skandagupta. Next, to which work is Devi Chandraguptam related? Answer is Chandragupta II. Who is most famous for the establishment of an elaborate system of municipal administration? Answer is Chandragupta Maurya. Next, by whom was the city of Agra founded in 1504? Answer is Sikandar Lodi. Next, during which reign was the East India Company founded in London? Answer is Akbar. Next, who was known as Lady with Lamp? Answer is Florence Nightingale. Next, which Rajput dynasties didn't surrender to Akbar? Answer is Sisodia. Next, where was Shivaji crowned sorry, where was Shivaji crowned as an independent king? Answer is Raigad. Next, where did Muhammad bin Tughlaq transfer his capital from Delhi to Daulatabad? Why did Muhammad bin Tughlaq transfer his capital from Delhi to Daulatabad? Answer is to control South India better. Next, which saint name is associated with Shivaji? Answer is Ramdas. Next, by whom was island of Bombay was given to the English prince Charles II as dowry? Answer is Portuguese. Next, which first Europeans came to India? Answer is Portuguese. ये पोर्तुगीज 1498 में आए थे। वास्को दा गामा आए थे कालीकट में। नेक्स्ट, ड्यूरिंग which movement was Mahatma added before Gandhiji's name? आंसर इज चंपारण सत्याग्रह। क्वेश्चन ये भी आ सकता है कि ये टाइटल किसने दिया था? आंसर इज रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर। नेक्स्ट, who was impeached in England for his action in India? Answer is Warren Hastings. Warren Hastings फर्स्ट गवर्नर जनरल ऑफ बंगाल भी थे। थैंक यू।